simple chords really carry you from darkness into light. Today I'll show you how just A minor, C major and D major can create one of the most hopeful sounds on the piano, and how you can turn them into your own story. Welcome back, friend. We will look at 3 beautiful progressions, explore how to play them with arpeggios, melodies and chord tensions, and talk about how register and touch can completely change the emotion. Let's go to progression 1. A minor, C major and D major. This progression really captures the feeling from starting in the darkness, gradually reaching for brightness. So play arpeggios in both hands, like this: A minor in the left hand and A minor in the right hand. Listen, it feels reflective, like sadness turning into light. Once again. So practice your arpeggiations in the left hand and in the right hand. So let's use left hand chords and melodies in the right hand. You can play block chords or arpeggios. Let's try out. Register. In the low register, the sounds feel heavy and dramatic. Move to the higher register and suddenly it feels delicate, almost like a whisper of hope. To help you with all aspects of improvisation, chords and arpeggios and melodies, I've put together a free guide. 10 secrets to improvisation. It's for you. It's packed with tips on melodies, chords and emotional playing. You can download it for free. Link is in the description below. So let's go to progression 2. C major, D major and back to A minor. This progression feels like joy and longing combined, happiness remembered, but with a touch of sadness. So let's use arpeggios in both hands. Start with a gentle C major. Once again. Another variation, C, D, A minor. Once again. So let's use left hand chords and right hand melodies. Left hand hold the progression steady. In the right hand add a melody. Variation. Once again. Using extensions like the 9, C with a 9, D with a 9 and A minor with a 9 create a bittersweet flavor. Have a listen. Once again. Register. If you play the melody higher, it feels like nostalgia. Once again. Almost like remembering something far away. Low melodies make it sound heavier, more grounded. Okay, let's go to progression 3. A minor, D major, and C major. This progression has a sense of closure, like finding peace after struggle. Once again, A minor, D major, C major. Let's use arpeggios in both hands. So let's try left-hand chords and right-hand melodies. A minor, once again, once again, register. And the bass, it feels dramatic. Like a statement. In the higher register, it becomes peaceful, almost like a lullaby. Once again. Storytelling. Let's try progression 1. A minor, C major, and D major. Start softly, almost like a whisper. That's your sadness in A minor. As you move to C major, bring a little more strength into your playing. On D major, play brighter and louder, as his hope is finally breaking through. Have a listen. Let's finish. So, these are 3 chord progressions with just A minor, C, and D that can express hope in so many ways. Don't forget to grab your free guide, 10 Secrets to Improvisation. Link is below. If this video inspired you, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and keep making music full of hope.